Our platform offers many tools across sections, so we created dashboards to give you quick and customizable access to the performance metrics you need to help manage and understand your fleet better. Drag and drop with multiple blocks to organize to your business's priorities. To get started, go to the Dashboard tab and click Add Dashboard. Select the type of block you'd like to add, and a new window will open where you can set your preferences and customize the information displayed. Once your preferences are set, click Save, and your new block will be added to your dashboard.